Have you ever scrolled through TikTok for 5 minutes and suddenly 3 hours have passed? TikTok is a great place for entertainment, but it can also be a good source of income if you want it to be. So, if you're also hooked on TikTok, as a user who wants to be a consumer to a producer or just simply interested in making money, there's different ways you can do it on TikTok. Just keep watching. Hey guys, welcome to the channel Side Hustle Pursuit, the channel that gives you options when looking for new and interesting side hustle strategies. I'll also share highly effective money-making tips, so if you're interested in topics like these ones, feel free to explore more on my channel. Let's get back to the video. You've probably heard of many influencers who often disclose their earnings on TikTok. Some of them are even able to make hundreds of millions of dollars. You might even be thinking to yourself, only those with millions of followers can earn on that clock app, so why bother? Fortunately, you don't have to be an influencer. In fact, you can start earning right away on the platform. You don't even have to be verified yet. You can earn even with a smaller following and let your income grow along with your audience. Here are 5 best ways to make money off TikTok. The first way to do this is by learning how to get monetized. Identify your niche so you can start making content that aligns with your passions or interests. Once you have chosen that, create a profile and design it accordingly to your focus. If you're interested in pet care, choose a display name that will attract other pet lovers and start creating videos related to that, such as cute puppies. Next, you should also join trends or challenges so you can garner more audience since they discover your content better through their FYP thanks to the hashtags. Once you're able to build your brand, upgrade your account to a pro one. You can do this by going to the settings, click Manage Account, and in Account Control, you can choose between personal or business account. This will help you see your analytics, which is highly important when you want to join partnerships because brands will ask for these in order to see if your account is making numbers, views, followers, shares, and other important counts. If you already have your account set up and ready for monetization, you can start going live. You can go live once you reach 1,000 followers. Once you're live, your viewers can send you gifts which you can then convert into money. These gifts are available for sale on the TikTok app itself, which viewers buy with coins, and if you're able to receive them, you can save up enough and transfer your earnings to PayPal once you reach a minimum of $10. At first, you only get small earnings, but as your followers and viewers increase, you can earn up to 5 figures or more just going live consistently. If you're someone who loves sharing their ideas or interacting with viewers, try building up your account and going live to make money on TikTok. Enjoying the video so far? Are you on TikTok? Be sure to leave your TikTok handle in the comments below. Speaking of fun and effective, you can also earn through TikTok by selling your own products. All you have to do is leave a link in your bio which contains your online businesses and different ways to reach you for products and or services. You can also add links to Etsy, Amazon, or your own shop. Once your followers visit your profile, you can then click this and it will lead them to buying or signing up for anything you have to offer. To do this, you can make a card or Linktree account to set up your own online business card. You can also link your blog or YouTube account there if you have any. This will also help you get traffic for the other side hustles, which eventually helps you make more money. You can also advertise your products through your content. As long as you create value for your viewers, you can become your customers because they trust you that the products are beneficial and help as your videos. The fourth way to make money on TikTok is through sponsorship and paid collaborations. This is common with blogging and YouTube, and if you have to create an ad or a review for a brand in exchange for payment, this is also a highly effective way to make money and grow your account more since you'll also be becoming more visible to people who are familiar with the brand you're advertising. To do this, it's recommended that you create a profile which contains your analytics, your past experiences and sponsorships, and the background of your own account or brand. This will attract sponsors who are aligned with the content and target audience. So if you decide to start that pet lovers account, you might get sponsorships from pet food and care brands once you start attracting more followers and reaching out to these brands. In this portfolio, you should also add your rates depending on the services you offer your sponsors so that they can see and prefer working with you on those platforms as well. The last tip on our list is affiliate marketing. Once you are partnered up with brands who can offer paid collaborations, they may also give you affiliate codes or links that you can integrate into your account and videos, which you will earn a percentage of sale every time your viewers buy or sign up using affiliate links. Aside from these money-making ways on TikTok, here are tips to grow your account so you can start monetizing. You should make shorter videos so people can swipe away immediately. If your content is way too long than it should be, you may lose potential viewers. If you can make shorter videos filled with all the information they want to see, you will be able to attract more TikTok followers. The next tip is to be consistently putting out videos that provide value to your target audience. Brands also take note of this aside from your analytics, so make sure that the videos you're uploading are in high quality. Well, that's it for the 5 best ways to make money on TikTok. If you like this video, make sure to check out other related content based on other side hustles.